Why don't you have your seatbelt on?
Don't knock on my window.
Why don't you have your seatbelt on?
Don't knock on my window like that, no.
Like what?
Don't knock on my window like that.
Why you have it up?
Don't knock on my window like that.
Why you have it up? I have to knock to let you know I'm here.
Don't knock
that
on
way you
my
can
window.
lower it and talk to
Just
you.
get my ticket, bro, so I can go. I'm finna be late, gang. Do what you gotta do.
Keep it down. Hey! Keep your window down. Hey! Keep your window down.
Don't tell me what.
Keep your window down. I'm gonna get you out of the car. As a matter of fact, get out of the car.
Give me that.
Get out of the car.
Give me that. We'll break that freaking window.
Get out of the car.
I'm finna get out.
Get out of the car right now. We're not playing this game. Get out.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Damn. What part of blood are you doing this time? Hey, Drew, I'm getting arrested, dude. I'm getting arrested.
On September 8, 2024, Miami Dolphins star Tyreek Hill was arrested just hours before his team's season opener against the Jacksonville Jaguars. The incident occurred when Miami-Dade police officers pulled Hill over for reckless driving near Hard Rock Stadium. Please subscribe to our channel and make comments about what you think of our videos. Bodycam footage released by the police shows the situation escalating quickly, with officers forcibly pulling Hill from his vehicle after he refused to keep his window down during the traffic stop. Hill was handcuffed and pushed to the ground, sparking controversy over the police's handling of the arrest. Hill, who had recently undergone knee surgery, expressed confusion and frustration over the incident, stating that he didn't understand why he was being detained. His agent, Drew Rosenhaus, confirmed that Hill had been cited for reckless driving and driving without a license, but questioned the officer's use of force. Following the arrest, one of the officers involved was placed on administrative leave while an internal investigation into the matter was launched. Despite the turmoil, Hill went on to play in the game later that day, making an 80-yard touchdown reception and even mimicking being handcuffed in his endzone celebration. The Dolphins ultimately won the game 20-17. Hill has since hinted at pursuing legal action against the police for what he considers inappropriate treatment. Please subscribe to our channel and make comments about what you think of our videos.